Okay guys, today we have an unboxing video for you guys. Two sneaker boxes over here and also clothing from this dope company that I am very ecstatic to open up. But before we do get into it, I do have this box that's already opened up, Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows. And I made a sneaker collection video that if you guys didn't watch, it's up here. And this wasn't included for a specific reason because I don't like these. So that being the case, I will make you guys a deal. If this video gets 3,000 likes, then I will give away this pair to one of you guys behind the camera. 3,000 likes, then I will run a giveaway for you guys for a free pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. Only going up in value, and I could probably resell it and make money, but I'd rather one of you guys have this instead. So if you guys want a brand new pair of Travis Scott 1 lows, then don't forget to hit that like button. Anyway, stay tuned for the video that is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker unboxing and also clothing unboxing, unboxing, same thing, whatever. That is coming up, and I am excited to open up those boxes. And I'm also excited for that Jordan 1 Travis Scott giveaway, potentially if we hit 3,000 likes on this video. So get to liking. And this one I'm gonna open up first because I'm very excited about this one, guys. This one is very near and dear to my heart because I am a Japanese American, if you guys cannot tell. And to get a little bit sappy with you guys really quick, I grew up in Las Vegas, and back maybe like, I don't know, 18 years ago or whatever, when I was growing up, there was a lot of like animosity still towards like Asians in America. Like there was a lot of racism and there was a lot of hate that I experienced when I was growing up in school. And it wasn't a good feeling, man. So it's cool to see that now there's actually like a strong movement where there's like pride in the Asian community. So I really enjoy that. I mean, shout out to Crazy Rich Asians, man. I feel like that was kind of like the spur that, you know, started to show people like, hey, we're here, this is important. And that's why I love brands like this, Akashi Kama, which represents Japanese America. So let me open it up and show you guys what this collection's about. What else we got over here? Also comes with these two Akashi Kama "We Made It in America" stickers. Like I was just saying, we made it in America. So this guy, the owner of the company, his name is Alec actually, good friend of mine. He reached out and he said, hey, this is my clothing brand that I just started up. Would you be interested in some of these clothing? So I said yeah, because of course I want to support the vision of one of my friends for sure, but also I just like the aesthetics of the clothing, because what it does is it takes like Japanese aesthetics and also fuses that with American aesthetics to create this. I haven't seen this, so I'm super stoked, man. This is like his second drop, so I'm very happy about this. But this is the first tee that he sent over. Little bit wrinkled up in shipping, but that's okay. So over here it says Akashi Kama, "We Made It in America." Small logo design with the Japanese flag and also American flag over here. Also, you guys can see that custom branding on the tag. Akashi Kama, very clean design and clean aesthetic. So let me put this on real quick. Not bad at all, man. Like I said, a little bit wrinkled in shipping, but that's pretty chill. But the real thing that like really got me excited about this collection is right here. This is called a Naragi. So put this on real fast. Oof, this is comfortable, man. This is really comfortable. I like this. But yeah, so this is called like a Naragi. You guys can see it has like a kimono kind of aesthetic, which is pretty dope, but it's like a more modern kind of style. So you can use it as like professional kind of like clothing or like modern dressy kind of clothing. And what's really, really dope is that I was talking to Alec and he told me that the design for this thing kind of takes aesthetics from a shoe you guys might see back there. I don't know if you guys know what this is, the Yeezy 2 Red October, but you guys can see like these things over here, these little like aglets or whatever they're called, these metal pieces. Does it look familiar, guys? It looks pretty familiar to me, that's why. So he actually drew inspiration from the Yeezy 2, from these kind of like golden aglets and stuff. So I think that's super sick. So it also has like some sneakerhead vibes to it. This is Akashi Kama, very cool company, and I want to let you guys know that I kind of like worked it out with Alex so that I can get you guys free shipping if you guys use the code UNTIED at akashikama.com. So I linked that in the description below. Like I said, this guy's my buddy, good friend of mine, wanted to support his company, and I just really love the aesthetics of the clothing. Anyway, let's get into the sneakers now, guys. Jordan 1 box, you guys already know, man. What other shoe would it be, right? This one is in a size 11 though, and if you guys are fans of the channel, then you probably see me like wanting this shoe for a while, because it is a pair of the black and white Jordan 1s. Very, very clean for a solid price. I believe I got this one for like $180, which is really good because dead stock, these things are going for like 400 something bucks now. I got the like Panda Twist one, whatever they're calling it now, like the women's Jordan 1 that has like a black and white design. But when I actually saw it in person, I was like, this isn't gonna work. It didn't look good to me. However, I am gonna swap these black laces out with green laces, give it that panda pigeon kind of vibe. Patience is key, guys. Like I was talking about, I wanted this one for a while. I wanted a good price for it. Sit on it, wait. Finally found it for less than 200 bucks. Pull the trigger. And so the next one that we actually have here is a Coke box. So you guys should probably know what this one is. This is the one that just released at the Kith drop, where I was like standing in that long line and I was doing like a vlog and stuff. So if you guys didn't watch that, I'll put that up here as well. Very fun time with a lot of great people, but unfortunately, I guess we were too far back in the line where we didn't have the good sizes left for sneakers. So the two that I picked up was an 11.5 and also size 12. I am a 10.5, and Converse, if you know, runs a little bit big. So I couldn't fit 11.5 or 12. So what I did is I sold them online, and then I was able to use that funding to buy my pair at resale, which it's still a good deal, you know, like I basically got it for retail because when you resell the other ones, that's how I got this, basically a size swap. A lot of people don't like denim. Shout out to SB Mitch. I actually enjoy these a lot though. So you guys can see over here, it does have like that Velcro kind of thing over here where it's like a Coke bottle cap. It's the real thing. I don't know, for me, like just aesthetically, everything really came together on the sneaker. And this would actually go pretty well with this Naragi, man. I think so. Yeah, if I had pants, this would work perfect. So that actually works out, man. I did not plan that, I'm telling you guys, but I think that would be a pretty cool little like outfit right there. And that is it for the unboxing, guys. Like I said, check out Akashi Kamo, please, because that is my boy's brand. And I just really want to support the vision of Japanese Americans making it in America. That's super sick to me. And like I said, I have a lot of pride in that. So thank you to Alec for sending these over, man. And thank you also for setting up the Untied Ohana with that code UNTIED at checkout so they can get free shipping on their own Naragi or that small logo tee. So check those out. There's a lot of different colors and stuff for these as well. And also, like I stated in the start of the video, if you guys want a pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows, don't forget to like the video, man. If we get the likes of 3,000, I promise you in an upcoming video, I will drop the giveaway. These things are going up in value daily. Somebody's gonna go away with a $1,000 shoe. Thank you so much for watching these videos. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!